let's get started. This is just a generic hammer, didn't have any markings on it. It's one I use all the time. All I did was take it to the wire wheel and then painted the head black and used Kona stain, and I used boiled linseed oil on the handle. Well, I sanded it and then stained it and then put the linseed oil on it. This is something I use in my shop all the time. Didn't really want to put a lot of effort into it because, like I said, I'm going to use this thing. This is going to be my daily driver of a hammer. Next hammer we have is Powr, your Montgomery Ward hammer. I don't know if you can see the Powr. I'll take some pictures. I found this ball peen hammer head missing a handle. So I had it in my toolbox for years, and I said, you know, I'm going to clean this up. I had no idea it was Powr. Powr, for all those that you don't know or not aware, it was a tool for Montgomery Ward. So this is a hickory handle I purchased at the Ace Hardware store. Sanded it down and I put a dark stain on it so it gave it that vintage look. Just did a kind of a spray shellac. This handle feels really nice. When I originally put it on the wire wheel, I could see a faint blue, so maybe somebody had it blue, but I'm going to use this one as well. Pretty much all my tools I'm going to use. While we're talking about Powr, I got this Powr pair of pliers. You could see some pitting, but you know what? They work. This is a PT Company P8 pair of pliers. And the funny thing about these pliers, I probably swiped them from my father, but I use these in my welding class. You can see a couple of divots here and there, and these are beautiful. So my dad's probably going to kick my butt when he finds out. Next up, can't really see very well, but it's a CT Company pair of pliers out of Jamestown, New York, USA. I'm like, CT Company, what's that? So I investigated, and it's part of the Crescent Company. Next, didn't really get a name on this one either. And then I used some, my wife and I like to go to Kona. So when I saw the Kona stain, I'm like, oh yeah. So I used this is Kona here. This was Colonial Chestnut. But I just sprayed some shellac on it, and cleaned up. Came out really nice. My favorite, this one, still no name on it, but this one came out really nice. And this is gun stock with a spray lacquer. But man, this is just, it just fits perfect. Just, this is just beautiful. These are some projects I've been working on, and just really lost some, don't really have the full videos of them, so I'm going to do this as a tool lot, so to speak. Most of my tools I get from the pawn shops, digging through the pawn shop bins, so always find neat stuff. And let me know what you think is your favorite. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you. If you like everything I'm doing, please like and subscribe.